So this video is a little random. It's going to be an unboxing. Technically, I already know what it is, but it's from a client of mine that actually worked for. I'm an event coordinator, so they actually just kind of showed their gratitude to me, sending me this gift. So basically, it's from a website called Snappy Gifts. It's a all-in-one gifting company, and basically, it's a gifting company for like employee appreciation gifts or that's pretty much what it's for, but I'm pretty sure you can give gifts to other people too. So what they do is the company, whoever is wanting to send you the gift, they go to snappygifts.com and they'll send you like a text or an email saying, hey, pick your gift. At least this is my experience. So they sent me a text and an email and they gave me a list of gifts that I can choose from. I'm not really sure if the company like put a cap on, you know, the value of the gifts, but I'm pretty sure you can. But anyway, I got that text and I chose a gift, and so I already know what it is. So let's get to unboxing. Yeah, I'm telling you, this is so random. So this is what I chose. I chose a drone. I know it's crazy, but I don't know. I've always kind of wanted a drone just because on social media, you see all these different like creative reels and videos people do with the drone, you know, from the sky view. And I don't know, that's always kind of fascinated me. So technically using this, I don't want to say it's not in my niche, but I don't know. I'm going to see what I can do with it. We'll see. But I'm excited. And, obviously this isn't like a top, high quality drone. I'm pretty sure it's not, but I'm excited. It's just gonna take me a minute to see how to use it. So, and I'm pretty sure this is probably like a beginner drone. Like for example, it says 14 plus up here. Like, I mean, not to say 14-year-olds plus can't, do the more high quality drones. Let's check it out. And so it looks like the drone obviously is included a screwdriver, a remote, spare propellers, a Li-ion battery, USB cable, spare propeller cap, screw set, landing skids, propeller guards, user manual of course, and quick start manual. Okay, let's fly into flying. I think just even looking at this, it's a beginner drone, which is completely fine with me because I have never flew a drone in my life. So I'm excited, y'all. Look at that. We got the remote, we got the actual drone and the propellers. These I think are the something type of guards. I don't know. And then there's the battery right there. Y'all, I'm excited. This is reminding me of when I had my my remote control toy car back in the day. This is so cool. These are so freaking tiny. Yeah, these screws are so freaking tiny. I hope this is the right one. Is this longer? Okay, maybe this is the right way. Okay. 3 down, 1 more to go.